This video covers the most important changes in merit allocation schemes for 2023 allocation round and what it means for Pawsey researchers.
Now, applications for NCMAS and Pawsey partner schemes can include a Setonix-GPU request. You can now apply only for CPU, only for GPU, or both in a single application. So this will support researchers using technologies such as machine learning and AI to secure their allocations on a GPU partition.
As we are increasing the amount of resources available in merit allocation schemes, with GPUs and compute cores available in Setonix, we are also increasing the minimum request to these schemes. Current minimum request is 1 million service units. We are also introducing new accounting model based on a service unit. One service unit on Setonix-CPU partition is an equivalent of 1 core hour. The service units ratio for GPU partition was derived based on theoretical power consumption of CPU and GPU nodes. So 1 hour use of Setonix-CPU node is worth 128 service units, or 128 core hours. 1 hour use of Setonix-GPU node is worth 512 service units, so 4 times more than a CPU node. With this change, researchers optimizing their service unit usage between CPU and GPU partition will also optimize power consumption and energy footprint of their science. More information about the accounting model for Setonix is available in our documentation pages, as well as Pawsey's technical publication on that topic. One important change for researchers from Pawsey partner institutions is that there will be no top-ups in 2023 allocation round. We ask researchers from Pawsey partner institutions who apply to NCMAS to submit their applications to Pawsey partner schemes separately. This change will allow us to execute more fair and transparent assessment process.
Pawsey has improved our technical review process. Scalability criteria now covers GPU and CPU parallel scalability, as well as data and workflow scalability. Examples of data and workflow scalability could be processing a large number of samples or using a heavy-duty Nextflow pipeline. This change will allow fair assessment of projects using machine learning and AI techniques on GPUs, as well as bioinformatics data-centric workflows. Pawsey is now offering a preparatory access scheme, which is designed for researchers that might need to port and benchmark their codes and workflows before applying to one of the merit allocation schemes, or generate scalability data to be included in the merit allocation scheme proposals. And preparatory access projects are given a fixed 3-month allocation.